Hi all, my name is Asmit. Today we are going to study grade 9 chapter 7 triangles. Today's topics are first triangle, second congruent figures and third congruence of triangles. Okay. Let's see the first topic, triangle. Okay. Triangle, it is a closed figure formed by three intersecting lines. It has three sides, three angles and three vertices. Okay, simple. You can see the diagram of a triangle. It has three sides, three angles and three vertices. Okay, example is shown here, triangle ABC. Okay, it has three sides, AB, BC and CA, three angles, angle A, angle B and angle C. Okay, and three vertices A, B, and C. Okay. Okay. Let's move to the next slide. Okay. Now, very interesting and important concept, that is congruent figures. Congruent means equal in all respects, or figures who have shapes and sizes both are same. So in congruent figures, we have these two words are very important, shape and size. So if there are any two congruent figures, the shape must be same as well as size must be same of both the figures. Okay? Any two figures having same shape and same size are the congruent figures. Okay? Very important concept. Let's see the examples of the congruent figures. Two circles are congruent if their radii are same. As we can see in this example, radius of first circle is phi and second circle is also phi. Okay? Therefore, both these circles are congruent. Now let us see the second example. Two squares are congruent if their sides are equal. As you can see here, the sides of both these squares are equal and therefore these two squares are said to be congruent. Let's move ahead. Okay. Now, third important concept is congruent triangles. Very, very important. The word congruent means equal in all aspects or the figures whose shape and size are same. This already we have seen that congruent figures means shape should be same and size should be same. Okay. But in this third point, that is congruent triangles, we are going to see specifically for the triangles. Okay. So for the triangles, or rather congruent triangles, when two triangles are said to be congruent if the sides and angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding sides and angles of the another triangle. Okay? Then they are said to be congruent triangles. Let's see one example of congruent triangles. Consider two triangle ABC and PQR. Okay. Here triangle ABC is congruent to PQR and that is denoted by triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. So this is the symbol of congruent. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's study in this slide more details about the congruent triangles. Means whenever two triangles are congruent, what about its sides, angles and vertices? Okay, we will study in detail about two congruent triangles. Okay. First is about the sides. AB is equal to PQ, BC equal to QR, and CA equal to RP. Okay? So we can say corresponding sides are congruent or equal. Here also AB corresponding to AB is PQ. Therefore, AB is equal to PQ, BC equal to QR, and AC equal to PR. These all are the corresponding sides or matching sides, and they are equal, means their length is always equal. Okay. Now what about the angles? Again, the measure of angles of the congruent triangles is equal. Okay. Measure of corresponding angles of the congruent triangles is equal. Here A corresponds to P, therefore measure angle A is equal to measure angle P, or angle A equal to angle P. The measures of these both angles are same. For example, if angle A is 30 degree, angle P will also be 30 degree. Okay. Similarly, angle B equal to angle Q and angle C equal to angle R. Okay. So just summary of this slide, that whenever two triangles are congruent, all the sides or corresponding sides are equal, all the corresponding angles are equal. Okay. Let's move ahead. More details. Now this is about the vertices of congruent triangles. Here you can see A corresponds to P, B corresponds to R, sorry, B corresponds to Q, and C corresponds to R. Okay. So it depends upon the, as you can see here, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Means first letters, if you can see here, in the first triangle, first letter is A. In the second triangle, the first letter is P. So A corresponds to P. Similarly, B, second letter corresponds to the second letter Q. And C, the third letter corresponds to the third letter R. Okay. So this is known as one-to-one correspondence. Okay. Okay. So let's move ahead. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video.